Hey guys, it's me again, Barry, with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. And this time we're demonstrating a Quadraflex reference 708D. This is a fairly high-end 8-track deck. Quadraflex was around about the same time as Doak Order, Fisher, stuff like that. Pretty high-end stuff. And we're here to make sure everything works before we send her back. So let's go ahead and pop in some Neil Sedaka here. Okay, make sure we have both speakers. Switch tracks a few times. Okay, so we know we got both speakers. Switch tracks some more. Okay, we're between songs, so it's a good time to check for crosstalk. No crosstalk at all, so the head's properly aligned, of course. Okay, now we're going to do a speed check here. We've got a 400 cycle test tone, and I need to find my speed meter here. Here we go. So this is a 400 cycle test tone. So the number we're looking for is going to be between 395 and 405. That means the speed is in spec. So let's go ahead and try this. And we're looking for track 2. So okay, so we're right on the money on the speed there. So we'll pull that out, and that takes care of it. Let's just pop in music tape again just to make sure the music stuff still works. If I can figure out what the heck I'm doing here. Alrighty. Okay, we're coming up on the end of a song here too, so another crosstalk check. No crosstalk.
I don't believe a word they're saying, only me. Oh, what they're saying is the everybody calls her.
Okay, that takes care of it. She's ready to go back to the customer, and this comes from Dan in Haddon Township, New Jersey. So thank you very much, Dan, for your business. And for everyone else out there, you've just seen what I can do to an old 8-track deck. I can bring her back to really good performance. So my website is in the description below. My phone number for paying, repair, or conversion customers only. Do not call this number looking for belts, parts, or how to hook up that $5 yard sale find that you don't want to put any money into. Don't waste my time with that stuff. This is a business, and my specialty is working on machines and classic car radios. I don't offer any services for the do-it-yourself. What in the world is this on my... What is this? I guess I got a piece of paper stuck. I've been typing out receipts and stuff. So, at any rate, thank you very much, Dan, for your business. Thank you guys for watching and listening, and we'll see you next time.